12 volts motor, controls on and off, light bar, controller says 12 volts. Look at this, you have bearings on the wheels. Hello YouTube, we will be assembling this nice jet right here. I have all the parts outside, 4 nice design wheels, the seats, steering wheel, bumper, remote control, 2 nice 12 volts motor, lots of little parts here and screws, steering mechanism, light bar, which actually goes double A's and functions, the windshield, the bars. I believe there will be some lights here, controls on and off, forward, neutral, reverse, and radio with some functions for music, and I see a Bluetooth as well. I like when I see this because the horn on the steering wheel will not require batteries. Right here in the back you see not a very large battery, but this is a small car compared to the other ones. The controller says 12 volts. This is the part number. Everything is here. We'll put the cables from the motors coming from here. It will connect right here. And that's about it. So the doors and the mechanism right here can up and then open and close. Same goes for this side. Yeah, so let's put this together. I don't think it's gonna be hard. It's all plastic tub with metal right here, which is good to see. So yeah, it's gonna be quick and easy. Let's get started. Starting with this first part here. Stop that, Anthony. Starting with this first part here. Be careful, we have this channel right here. That needs to align right there. So there are 8 screws that goes right here for the rear bar. And then we'll put the motors in as well. At this stage, I just added this. So this needs to go all the way here on one side, and the other side. Make sure that this bar for the steering is connected right here. And then in the back, you have this really long bar. Just put this all the way through. And that's where you're gonna put the motors and the wheels. So far, very easy. I installed this. I'm gonna show you, just pull your wires through the hole right there. The motor is gonna go in there and the bar is gonna come here. Look at this, you have bearings on the wheels. This is good, this is gonna work way better. Let's put the wheels right here and then pull this bar all the way there. Get one of these little washers, not the bigger one, and it goes right here, like so. And one of these nuts goes on top. And then there will be the cover that will be mounted on top of, so it closes it up. That's how it will be. Do the same for the other side. I also installed this part with 4 screws, really easy. Oh, for the one in this area here, you need a bigger washer. Goes first, like so. It holds in these little pins right here, like so. Get your wheel. They are all the same. Put it right there. Little washer goes right there, and then the tiny nut goes right here. Hard to do it with one hand, but you got the idea. Maybe I get this, do this like this. Okay, there you go. That's how you do it. Do that in the same way over there. Use this to tighten your screws, your nuts. And in the back, you need 2 because it's just a bar. It will go one way to the other, so you need 2. Also, looking from here, you need to put a screw right here. You need to put the bolts right here. And also a little washer. Little washer and one of the nuts. That's what you need here and here. All right, so right now You have these cables here and the motor cable that's coming white and black. It needs to be connected to these ones right here. So one in each side. Now we are going to transform the front end of this Jeep with this nice bumper. It takes 6 screws. I'm gonna go right here. Oh, got ball coming up. And I'm using this tool in the lowest torque possible so I don't strip these screws right here. I almost made a mistake here. You need to put this in here first, because you need to screw from behind. If you install this one first, then you can't do this one. So make sure you install this one first. Once you have all the electric connections done, time to move up to the seats. Start with this going in the back, like so. Make sure your seat belts are not pinched across right here. So lift the seat belt, something like this. Put it to the middle, and then just work your way right here, and then screw this in. Hard to do it with one hand, but you got the idea. Right, like so. Yes, there you go. Now just screw this in place. Steering wheel just clicks in place. Connect these 2 white connectors, and then just clicks in place. That's gonna be easy. Vai estragar o celular do papai.
I know.
Then final touches here. This windshield just clicks in place. Just press down. Put the mirrors as well. It's only clicked in place, no screws. And right here in the back, this one just goes and click in the body. And this bar clicks in place right here and here. So AA batteries right here for these lights to work on and off right here. And this is it. This is the whole thing assembled. We'll have a full review coming up. Music playing over there. You see, there is lights in here, cool lights. Lights over here as well. No, this is just a sticker. Lights right here. No lights in the back, just stickers. Motors, 2 motors, 12 volts in the rear wheels. Nice design front wheels as well. Music, horn. Let's see if the horn works. Horns, on and off, forward, backwards, reverse. Really cool. Yeah, we'll have some good time with this car. This was the full assemble and how to assemble this. And now you know. It's the manual. Also, you get a remote control. Nice. It's raining. We just finished assembling this one. 12 volts. It's raining on Anthony's car. But yes, assemble successfully. And that's it. Terrible weather. Anthony, carro coming. Let's go. Has some cool lights. That's it. That's it for this video. It's too cold outside.